GPT Auto Trading Bot is heating up. We've just added a Martingale feature. Even if a trade closes in loss, the bot can automatically double the next deal and recover it into profit. In this video, we'll show you exactly how it works. We've also been getting a lot of questions like, which GPT status will include the auto trading feature? So here's the answer. Right now, we have 3 beta testers with Gold GPT status. They were selected based on their activity with the GPT Trading Bot. Next week, we'll invite 5 more Gold users to join the beta test. Once everything is fully stable and tested, auto trading will be released for all Gold GPT status users. About a month later, limited auto trading features will also become available for Silver GPT status users. Hope this clears everything up, and see you soon!
Move it.